Hi friends, welcome back. Today we have a Fortuner, a new Fortuner in house. So we have upgraded the complete audio setup of the car. This is what we have offered the customer. This is what we have installed in the car. Friends, originally this car already had a three-way setup. The factory fitted is already given a three-way speakers in the front. They have offered a basic speakers at the back doors, and they have already meant a small woofer at the dicky. So friends, we have changed the entire setup. We have offered a OJ component for the front, a three-way active setup for the front. We have offered a coaxial speakers behind, and we have powered it with a good subwoofer. Friends, we have already installed this Audison 819 Forza processor, which really makes a difference in the sound. Come on, let's experience the sound setup. So friends, we have replaced all the speakers in the stock location. You can always see the tweeters are mounted in the original tweeters location. The mids are already mounted in the original mids location. And the front speakers have already mounted in the speaker location. We have thoroughly damped the entire doors with a multi-layer damping. So that really makes the sound more clear and more punchy. Let us play the track now. Friends, the tuning process is completely done. You can always see. So friends, hope you like the setup. You can always call us or WhatsApp us for your requirements. We will come up with the solutions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you so much.